ClimateWorks is participating in the Deep Decarbonisation Pathways project with 15 other countries around the world so that we can study how we can achieve a low carbon economy within the climate science targets that need to be met by the middle of this century.
It's the first time that countries have come together in a bottom-up way to identify very specifically what actions need to be taken in each of the major emitting countries.
The analysis in the 15 countries shows that reducing emissions drastically can go hand in hand with increasing economic growth, increasing prosperity.
The great news that's emerging from the project is that all countries can find the technological pathways that can achieve this transformation.
ANU and ClimateWorks are leading the Australian team's participation in the project, and we're drawing on expertise from CSIRO and Victoria University Centre of Policy Studies.
Deep decarbonisation requires a real transformation in a lot of different sectors, in particular in the energy sector.
So Australia has a very high emissions energy sector. We have a very high proportion of generation from coal. We've also got a lot of options available, which a lot of countries don't have. So for example, we've got incredible solar resources, incredible wind resources.
From recent studies, it was found that a significant share of today's agricultural land could be shifted to carbon forestry profitably for farmers. So farmers could make more money and sequester a lot of the remaining emissions in the economy.
Australia's pathway delivers a 71% reduction in CO2 emissions out to 2050, while also having GDP grow by 150%. In September, we'll be releasing our results, which have contributed to the July report released by the United Nations.
Our main task with this work now is to engage with industry and government leaders in this country. We've got to make sure that this is really well understood, that we can transition, but that there are certain assets that are more affected than others, and that the decisions about those assets should be made now.